Alright guys, on this video we're going to be doing the final startup of the Craftsman LT3000 lawnmower for 2025. This will be the last startup of the year, or last startup on video, that is. I haven't recorded the past couple startups because I just haven't had the time to, so. Alright, anyways, it's kind of a cool day, so this will be kind of a cool, not a cold, but a cool start. So, brake clutch in, neutral, and the throttle. We'll just see, just for giggles, let's see if it'll actually start without choke. Key on. Here we go. That's going to be a no. And the battery's getting a little weak. I'm going to have to put it on the charger. Hasn't been ran in at least a couple weeks, maybe a month. So belt is on its way out, unfortunately. We just put a new belt on it. It's already worn out. It's because it's missing a bracket. So when you go to shut the plates off, it doesn't shut off right away because it's missing some kind of bracket. So what I have to do, when I shut the plates off, I have to raise this up, put it in full gear, turn the idle down, release the plate, the brake clutch, and then it releases the belt for the blade. That's just temporarily until we get the new part put on, the bracket. I think we got some new brake pads as well, but I'm not going to be filming installing those. So. Well, that's it, everyone. Like I said, final startup 2025. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.